Hey, Chris, good morning.
Hi, good morning, Lou. I'm excited to talk to you. We have a backsplash that is flagstone in the kitchen. Next to the oven, it's actually a side splash. We have a horrible scorch mark where my son has chosen to stir fry, so it's grease and probably red sauce and other things that have scorched onto the flagstone. And I was wondering if you had any kind of chemical that you could recommend to remove that.
Okay. Superzilla.
Okay.
It's a lightweight oil, but it's also this amazing cleaner. And you're going to find it at Ace Hardware. What's the name of the son with the stir fry?
Andrew.
Andrew is going to spray this onto the wall.
Yes.
Then Andrew's going to wait 10 minutes, and he's going to scrub it, and it's going to start to come off, and then you're going to take a damp rag to wipe it off, and maybe you got to spray it again a couple times, but the key is going to be with a nylon brush to kind of work it all out of there, and then the next time he wants to make mugu gai pan, he's going to be very careful so that he doesn't have to clean it again.
Okay.
It's going to look better than it looks now, for sure.
Exactly.
Right.
Thank you so much for your help.